Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video. Oh, sugar. Safety first. Alright, let's go. Now, what are we doing today? Today we are going to think about what we're going to say because I haven't prepared anything to say. Why would I do that? I don't know. Maybe it's professional. One of the things with doing the repairs on cars, I suppose, is documenting them all as well. So they're all done around day jobs. We've all got day jobs. Well, except Matt Armstrong. And it's affordability, you know, when you're working on a budget, when you've got to live day to day, etc. Yada yada yada. Just then getting the parts together, having somewhere to do it, and it's time. Time's the biggest thing, I think. It is what it is. We get it done for you, so you can watch me. I don't know why you do that. Why did you do it? Stay handsome. Welcome to a day in the life of Ollie's garage. Let's. Oh, what's that? I'll take you to my day job. Show you what goes down. Show you where I work. What I do for a living. Because someone's got to pay for this stuff, right? I've got a vibration going on, and it doesn't fill me full of confidence. The car, not me. Offside front, I reckon, which is driver's front if you're not aware. Where we drive on the left-hand side of the road, the correct side, the near side is the curb side. So if I said near side front, that would mean the passenger side front. Near side rear, passenger rear. Offside is, of course, then the other side. So offside front is the driver's front, and offside rear is the other rear. Alright, so turn the music off. We're nearly there. So what do I do? Essentially I look after a collection of cars. Not a job that you'd normally find on, or probably ever find on the kind of platforms that you'd look for a job on. Something I stumbled into courtesy of my better half through contacts from her. It was a job she saw that was just posted on social media. Made a couple of phone calls, had a chat, and went over and met the owner, and that was almost 2 years ago now, so it's different to a normal 9 to 5, different to a normal kind of job that I've had before. But we're nearly there. Show you around a little bit, show you what we get up to, and yeah, let's have some fun. Brilliant. How's the angle for you guys? Comfy? Let's try and get you back. Hey, yay! Oh god, you're going again. Bye! Go take a look. So what do I do here? I look after all this lot. So my day job is to keep these on the road. Do repairs or clean them, whatever needs to be done to keep them up together. Currently we're working on this E30. So we've got a set of KW coilovers going on. We've got some uprated anti-roll bars as well. So lots of work going on here, and we're going to continue with this today. Currently we're in pieces. Got the suspension apart at the moment. We're swapping over everything from the original shocks over to these new KW systems. So let's get to it. so that's it. We've taken off the old original suspension. We've fitted the adjustable KW coilovers front and rear, and we've also fitted the uprated anti-roll bars as well as adjustable drop links at the front. So let's get the car down, let's get it out and see what it looks like. Let's go. Dropped the car down, we've warmed her up, suspension's all on, I've checked everything, everything's torqued up, everything's tight. Let's take her for a drive, see how she feels. The next step after this is going to be the full alignment, but let's see how she feels as it is. Safety first. Right, now I've set the camera up I think properly. Hopefully it doesn't move. Probably will. Let's get up the bumpy bit and see what she feels like. So straight away the car feels a lot tighter, a lot more taut than it used to. The old suspension wasn't bad. This is a very, very clean M car. It felt as it should do for an old M car, one of these E30s anyway. But with these KWs on, it's instantly a lot firmer. I can feel more bumps in the road, I can feel more feedback as well. So, great upgrade for the car. Got a little bit of wandering with the steering going on, so once we've had it set up properly, we'll give her another run and just make sure it's all perfect. But absolutely great product, great suspension, feels superb. So, we'll take the car back now because we don't need to be out in it long. Get it cleaned up, get it booked in, and away we go. I love this car! It's really nice, it's got that old 4-cylinder rasp, like an old, I don't want to say Group B rally car, but that's the kind of era it reminds me of. This is definitely one of my favourite cars out of the collection. It's such a joy to drive as well, you know. For a car of this age, you expect to feel its age, but you really don't with it. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me in a day in the life of my day job. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Helps the channel out and we'll get more content. And if there's any more you want to see, just pop a comment in on what you want to see and we'll see if we can make a video about it. There's a few cars in the collection here which I'm sure wouldn't be mind being filmed. But for now, thanks for watching. Oh, too close. Ooh. Beep. Shit. Still didn't buy a camera mount, did I? Is that in the right place? Who knows?